I am Akash Lenka and I have expertise in sales for last 7 years in selling courses. So I am here to help you with handling one of the objection जो कि आपके pipeline को worst pipeline बना देता है, which is let me think about it. So first of all, let me think about it, what it means actually, how and what does it mean and how to handle this. So how did I came up with my strategy is when I used to get this objection, so मैं usually answer करता था जो normally हर कोई like most of the sales person answer करते हैं, which is sure आप बताइए और sure मैं आपको ये टाइम पे फोन करता हूँ, and then boom the lead goes dead and they never reply to you. So after listening to so many call recordings of me and my team, I came up with this strategy which me and my team been using for last 6 to 7 years, and our pipeline is turned from like worst to the best pipeline. So here I will help you how to handle the let me think about it objections with six powerful ways, with six powerful steps. So first, understand what does it mean. So let me think about it. First, be aware that what does it mean. It means no. Customer is saying no to you in a polite way. It can be three reasons. One of the reason is maybe they feel the price is too high, and maybe they feel like they don't trust you, or maybe they have some other concern which they are shy to share it with you. इसके लिए वो लोग आपको ना कहते हैं, and then you keep chasing on them, you keep chasing, and then you are not able to close them. So first, be aware that it's a no. Second, control your tone, because now while giving a powerful pitch, your voice note, your tone was very energetic, very upbeat, but once you get this objection, control your tone, because confidence plus calm is equal to trust, because now you have to build the trust. So control your tone, and then after that, once you have identified it, yes it's a no, you are controlling your tone, then you agree with them like yes, you should think about it, this is a very big decision and you have to discuss with your family. आप उनसे agree कर रहे हो, that is something which is like वो सुनकर कस्टमर रिलैक्स हो जाता है कि यस दिस गाय इज नॉट अदर सेल्समैन जो कि उन्हें पुश कर रहा है, इंस्टेड ही इज अग्रीइंग विथ मी, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे ट्रस्ट यू. सो थर्ड इज agree with them. Then after you agree with them, you ask with curiosity that may I know to whom with whom you want to discuss with. आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि आपको किसके साथ डिस्कस करना है, या कौन से फैमिली मेंबर को आप मतलब आपने ये शेयर किया है कि आप ये कोर्स करना चाहते हो, और हुएवर इज सपोर्टिंग यू, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो. नाउ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर नाउ शिफ्टिंग द फोकस फ्रॉम लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट ऑब्जेक्शन, वेयर जहाँ पर वो क्लाइंट को कंफ्यूज कस्टमर को कंफ्यूजन था, और मे बी दे वर शाय. You have agreed with them, so first that is clear. Now you are shifting the focus from objection to asking that with whom you want to discuss with, let me know. Over there you are also, so what time pe customer usually they will say to you that they want to discuss either with spouse, or maybe mom dad, or maybe friend boyfriend girlfriend, whoever they want to discuss with. But once you get that answer, that means yes, you are very much closer towards it. After that, once you ask with curiosity, you have to use a tone, a curiosity tone, like may I know with whom you are discussing. It has to be in this frequency. It cannot be okay, so whom you are discussing. No, may I know with whom you want to discuss with. I would like to know, I would like to understand, and I would like help you to get understanding, something like that. And then book the next call. Since you have found out that कि ना आपको कस्टमर को अपने किसी ना फ्रेंड, फैमिली मेंबर, स्पाउस है उनसे डिस्कशन करना है, now you have to shift your focus to booking the next call. Forget about the sale because that is not in your control first from the first the moment you dialed that customer. From that point the sale was not in your control. What's in your control is building the pipeline and collecting fast no's. So now you have to shift the focus towards booking a call. Like, let's say you can use one of this line, which is, may I know with whom you want to discuss with. What we can do, let's come on a call together where हम लोग साथ में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनके कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो आप शायद आंसर नहीं कर सकते. आई विल हेल्प यू एंड आई विल हेल्प देम to answer the question and also explain everything in detail because I am the expert over here. Now what you are doing, you are helping the customer to solve something, and also you are talking about togetherness. You are not talking about sale, price, your product. No, you are talking about customer कि कैसे तुम उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो. So booking the next call. Sixth is, which is important, focus on what's in control. You have to focus on what's in control. Just as I said, you have to collect fast no's. You have to focus on building the strong pipeline. You cannot focus on sale because, let's say, the customer says, no, I would not like to share with whom I want to discuss with. That means he is not fit for a strong pipeline. You have to let that customer go, and that is not one of the customer with whom you want to spend the time and उसके ऊपर time आप waste करो. जो कस्टमर आपको बता रहे हैं कि यस मुझे इनसे डिस्कस करना है, मुझे इनसे डिस्कस करना है, दोज आर द पीपल दैट हैव टू गो इनटू योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पाइपलाइन लिस्ट. बिकॉज इफ यू पुट these kind of people who doesn't share, like आपको उनसे किसका डिस्कस करना है, किसके साथ में डिस्कस नहीं करना है, and you put those customers into your pipeline is full of hopes, and eventually आपका पाइपलाइन स्टक हो जाएगा एंड यू विल बी द lowest performer in your sales team. To become the best performer, is the only thing is you can do, which is building the strong pipeline. So these strategies I have used and my team have been using for last 6 to 7 years, and it is working like magic. So I am requesting you to try this strategy and let me know in the comment box, in the comment section and chat section, that did you see improvement or not? If yes, say I am master of sales in the comment box. And till then, I would also like to share more objections and how to handle objections in the upcoming videos as well. So for that, please subscribe and like to the channel and click on the bell icon, and also please share it with someone whom you want to help to excel in his sales career. Good luck and kill it.